Vietnam is integrating deeply into the world economy. In that context, businesses, particularly the civil aviation industry, have to face greater challenges and fiercer competition. The Aircraft Maintenance Center A75 under Vietnam Airlines Corporation is not an exception. A75 is a maintenance center operating under the approval VAR 145 of Civil Aviation Authority of Vietnam. It has received many approvals for aircraft maintenance granted by Foreign Aviation Authority and airlines companies. A75 has been approved for maintaining various types of airplanes: Boeing 767, Boeing 777, ATR 72, Fokker 70, Airbus 319, Airbus 320, Airbus 321, Airbus 330. That is the result of long-time efforts and coming over difficulties for generations. In 1976, CAAV decided to establish Aircraft Maintenance Center A75. It has come a long way to what it is today. Initially, A75 just maintained such airplanes as DC, Boeing, Antonov, Ilyushin, Tupolev, and ATR-72 in mid-1992. Technical workers at A75 are mostly trained in Russia, the US, France, Australia, and UK. So they have all international certificates and practical experience. In addition, A75 also invests in building modern workshops to maintain aircraft equipment, such as calibration of the tools as ISO 17025. Non-destroying inspections can be conducted under 4 methods. Maintaining wheels and brake of all aircraft. We also supply a variety of services for airplanes, including repairing frames, seats, trolleys, galleys, composite material, battery and oxygen recharging, nitrogen generating, tailoring seats covers, carpets, curtains, washing and painting of international standard. Its achievements in production and aircraft maintenance cannot be made without a sufficient and timely supply of components and spare parts by the Material Division. A75 is proud to have a strong team of experienced instructors who are permitted to conduct training classes on Boeing 777, ATR-72, and other forms of training. The center possesses a great staff of knowledge and expertise of international level and state-of-the-art equipment. Its categories are frequently sent to the most developed aviation industries, such as America, France, and Germany, to update technological advances. The confidence and professionalism of A75 staff has therefore won the trust of a large number of both local and foreign customers. In that sense, A75 continues to move forward to new targets, striving to become a center for aircraft maintenance and overhaul of regional and international level in the next 5 years. Together with the country of Vietnam, A75 is flying high on the sky of integration,